Before buying car wash soap for your black car, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But real buyers are definitely talking about it. The right soap can make or break the shine on your dark paint. Let's uncover what actually works. Product number 1, Chemical Guys Watermelon Snow Foam. First up is the Chemical Guys CWS 20816 Watermelon Snow Foam Car Wash Soap. The vibrant watermelon scent caught my eye, and at $13.89, it's priced pretty reasonably for the quality you get. If you want a fun washing experience while ensuring your black car shines, this is worth a serious look. This soap works beautifully with foam cannons or bucket washes. The snow foam feature helps to lift dirt and grime away from the surface, which is especially critical for black paint that shows every little imperfection. With 200+ units sold in the past month, it's clearly a favorite among users. The foaming action clings to the surface, allowing it to break down stubborn dirt without scratching your paint. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Black cars are notorious for showing swirl marks, and this soap can help minimize that risk while providing a deep clean. Now, some people complained about the scent being a bit too sweet for their taste. Here's the thing though, if you're washing your car outdoors, a pleasant smell can actually enhance the experience. If you're sensitive to scents, this might not be for you, but the cleaning power definitely makes it worth considering. This is perfect for you if you enjoy washing your car and want a product that smells good and cleans well. Skip this one if you prefer unscented products. Honestly, for the price and performance, it's a solid choice. Now, if you're not a fan of fruity scents, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Griot's Garage Brilliant Finish. Next up is Griot's Garage Brilliant Finish Snow Foam. Priced at $20.21, it's a bit on the higher end, but the glossy shine it leaves on your black car is hard to beat. If you want a deep cleaning effect combined with a show-stopping finish, this one deserves your attention. What sets this soap apart is its ability to create a thick foam that clings to surfaces, which helps lift dirt without the need for aggressive scrubbing. For black cars, this is crucial since it minimizes the risk of scratching. Users rave about the glossy finish that enhances the color and depth of black paint. With over 100 units sold recently, it's clear that others have found value in it too. Here's why this matters for you. When you're cleaning a black car, you want to ensure that you're not just removing dirt but also maintaining that deep, rich color. One downside some users mentioned is that it can be a bit pricey for regular use. But I'll be real with you. If you're serious about maintaining your vehicle's appearance, the investment can pay off with how good your car looks after using it. This is perfect for you if you want the ultimate shine and deep cleaning for your black car. Skip this if you're looking for a budget option. For the quality you get, it's a worthwhile investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a ceramic shine. Product number 3, Chemical Guys Hydro Suds. Coming in at number 3 is the Chemical Guys CWS 2121602 Hydro Suds Ceramic CO2 Shine. At $35.36 for a 2-pack, this is an investment, but if you want a ceramic-like shine, this is the way to go. If you're looking for that extra layer of protection while washing, this is worth a serious look. This soap utilizes CO2 technology, which means it adds a layer of protection that can help repel water and dirt after washing. For black cars, this is essential because it helps maintain that slick look and makes future washes easier. Plus, the high foam formula allows for excellent dirt lifting, which is important for avoiding scratches. With more than 50 units sold in the past month, it's gaining attention for its effective results. Here's why this matters for you. This soap not only cleans but also enhances the longevity of your car's finish, which is a big deal if you want to keep that deep black shine. However, some users found it a bit too thick when used in foam cannons. Now here's the thing, if you mix it correctly, you'll get the best results. It may take a little trial and error, but the payoff is worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a long-lasting shine and protection for your black car. Skip this if you're looking for something easy to use right out of the bottle. For the results, it offers great value. Now, if you're looking for a more traditional approach, the next option reigns supreme in simplicity. Product number 4, Chemical Guys Hybrid Foaming Soap. Next, we have the Chemical Guys CWS 80816 Hybrid Foaming High Gloss Car Wash Soap, priced at $15.15. If you want something that offers both cleaning and gloss, this is definitely worth checking out. If you're after a blend of performance and affordability, this one stands out. This soap delivers a high foaming action that helps lift dirt and grime without harming your paint. For black cars, the hybrid formula enhances gloss while cleaning, which is exactly what you need to keep your vehicle looking sharp. With 50+ units sold recently, it's clear that this product is favored by many. Here's why this matters for you. Black paint shows imperfections easily, and this soap helps to combat that by providing a protective layer that enhances the shine. However, some users said that it doesn't rinse off as easily as other soaps. Here's the thing though, if you use it properly and don't let it sit for too long, you should be just fine. Plus, the end result is worth the extra effort. This is perfect for you if you want a good balance between cleaning power and gloss for your black car. Skip this if you're looking for something that rinses off completely effortlessly. For the performance, it's a good deal. Now, if you need a reliable way to store your car wash soap, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 5, Chemical Guys Heavy Duty Detailing Bucket. Last but not least is the Chemical Guys Heavy Duty Detailing Bucket, priced at $25.26. Now you might be wondering why a bucket is on this list, but trust me, having the right tools makes all the difference. If you need a solid bucket for your car wash needs, this is worth considering. This isn't just any bucket, it's a heavy-duty 4.25-gallon bucket designed for frequent use. It's perfect for mixing your soaps and has a secure lid to keep everything contained while you're working. For black car owners, this means you can keep your wash area organized and efficient. With a sturdy build, it holds up to the wear and tear of regular washes. It's not just functional, it also looks professional with its smoked black finish, which pairs well with detailing tools. Here's why this matters for you. It ensures you have everything you need at hand when washing your car, making the process smoother. Some reviews mention that it might be a bit bulky for some users. But honestly, if you're serious about detailing your car, the size is actually a benefit since it allows for more soap and water. This is perfect for you if you want a durable bucket that can handle your car washing and detailing needs. Skip this if you're looking for something small and portable. For what you get, it's definitely a solid investment. To wrap it up, we've covered some fantastic options. The Chemical Guys Watermelon Snow Foam is fun and effective. Griot's Garage Brilliant Finish delivers a glossy shine. Hydro Suds offers that extra layer of protection. The Hybrid Foaming Soap balances cleaning and gloss, and the heavy-duty detailing bucket keeps your tools organized. Whatever your needs are, there's something here for every black car owner. Happy washing!